Military training can be cumbersome and challenging, and C4ISR software is no exception. With SitaWare Aspire, you can bring the training burden down and the efficiency up. As a digital training platform, SitaWare Aspire allows you to train your units without the cost and coordination efforts of traveling. Accessible at any time and place, everyone can take the courses when and where they want to, at their own convenience and pace. With SitaWare Aspire, you get a digital training platform that integrates with the operational software. In that way, you benefit from a two-in-one setup that combines digital training with hands-on exercises, enabling you to make the most of your training efforts. All courses in SitaWare Aspire are continuously updated to match your current versions of the operational SitaWare solution. In other words, Systematic maintains the curriculum and prepares the training sessions so you and your units can focus on completing the courses. With the flexibility of SitaWare Aspire, you can scale and adjust training as your needs develop, allowing you to meet future demands as well. The digital platform is easy to implement and use, keeping C4ISR training expenses and administration at minimum.